Hello and welcome. This is Brian with businesswebsitetraining.com. In this video, we're going to chat about our resources page. So without further ado, let's jump right in. If you go to businesswebsitetraining.com and then click on this area right here, this is resources, it will bring you to this page. We called this our resource page for a reason. So at businesswebsitetraining.com, we are a website development and marketing company. So there is a lot involved when it comes to website development and marketing and search engines and online business development. This is a resource page that is just packed full of articles that is going to help you understand what website marketing is, what search engine optimization is, all of the various areas and topics that can involve developing an online website or business. So here you go. Right here, I have an article about keywords and phrases. Another one here about ranking on the search engines naturally or organically. Google Analytics, YouTube, domain names, website images, tracking performance, videos, articles about title tags, meta description tags, website page speed. Moving right along down here on the lower left, website content, mobile responsiveness, links or linking, social media, business blogs, estimated social media users over here, website security, affiliate programs, search engine optimization, website sitemaps. This is an article by Google Support. Video resources here at the bottom. These are all videos that our company has shot about website development, YouTube for business marketing, services that we offer, search engine optimization, keyword planning, digital marketing, how to reach out to us. This is a video here from Google Webmasters about Google and how often they reindex a website. I'd like to just take this moment to thank you for watching our video. I would really recommend that you check out our resources page. Spend some time if you have questions about what a meta description tag is. Click it, read it. If you have questions, reach out to us. We are here to help you. We would love to talk to you about some of your goals, answer some of your questions, and see where that leads. You can reach us at businesswebsitetraining.com. Click on the contact here, and there you're going to find our hours, our direct phone number, our email, hours of operation. Once again, this is Brian with businesswebsitetraining.com. Thank you.